Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include premium sound system, rear view camera, towing package, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Stop by and take a look at the 2017 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, headlights auto off, steel wheels, child safety locks, power steering, cloth seats, tilt steering wheel, AM/FM stereo radio, wipers, variable speed intermittent. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.